Hi, welcome to Pink Level Math Club. We're so excited that you're giving Pink Level Math Club a try. We're going to do a few games and activities to help you get a sense of if Math Club is right for you and if Pink Level is a good level for you. Our first game that we're going to play is called Movement Multiple Choice. This is a movement game where we stand up out of our seats and we use movements to show our answers. Multiple choice is when you have a question that has more than one possible answer. So for this game, we're going to have specific movements that we'll do so that we can communicate what our answer is. All right, let's get standing. All right, you can see that there are 4 letters on the screen, A, B, C, and D. Each letter corresponds with a movement. So the movement for the letter A is squats, like this. Great job. The movement for the letter B is high knees. What do you think the movement is for the letter C? Great job, windmills. And the movement for the letter D? Jumping jacks. Some work. Okay, so we're going to do 2 practice slides where you'll get to share your answer with a movement. And these questions are sort of like getting to know you warm-up slides. So we'll try these first, and then we'll do some math activities. Okay. A, I like board games. B, I like sports. C, I like board games and sports. D, I like neither. You can show your answer with a movement. I'm going to choose B. I like sports. Not a big board games fan. Which movement is right for you? Great job. All right, let's look at another one. All right, which of these snacks would be your favorite? A, popcorn. B, pretzels. C, goldfish. Or D, crackers. I'm going to choose A, popcorn. You can show your answer with a move. All right, now we're going to do 2 math questions. For this upcoming question, the same rules apply. You will show your answer with the movement. Of the numbers below, which ones are all divisible by 3? A, B, C, or D? If you need more time, you can pause the video here while you make your choice, and then resume it when you're ready. Okay, which one did you choose? A, B, C, or D? You can show your answer with your movement. All right, let's look at the answer slide together. The answer to this question was B, so your movement should have been high knees. 3, 9, 24, and 28 are all divisible by 3. Great job! All right, let's try another. I'm going to read 3 numbers and you tell me which comes next. 40, 80, 160. I want you to try and figure out the pattern and determine which number would come next. 40, 80, 160. You can pause the video here if you need more time and resume it when you're ready. Okay, what did you choose for your answer? A, B, C, or D? Let's go ahead and look at the answer slide together. The answer was B, 320, so your movement should have been high knees. The pattern was that we were doubling each number each time. So we went from 40, 40 plus 40 is 80. And then we went 80 plus 80 is 160. And then 160 plus 160 is 320. Great job. Awesome work with movement multiple choice. We're going to take a seat and get ready for our next activity. Our next activity is a game called Follow Me. Follow Me is a game where I will read you 6 steps of mental math, and at the end, you will share your answer. This is an example of one of what the cards look like that I will be reading to you. So while we're playing this game, it's really important that you do not use pencil and paper and you hold the numbers in your head. I'm going to start with some that are a little bit easier and they're going to get more challenging throughout the activity. Okay, we're going to start with 6 steps of addition and subtraction. Here we go. Start at 5. Subtract 3. Add 3. Add 3. Add 2. Subtract 5. What do you get? The answer is 5. Awesome job. We're going to try one that's a little bit harder. Start at 15. Subtract 5. Subtract 5. Subtract 5. Add 2. Add 10. What do you get? The answer to this one was 12. All right, we're going to bring in a little bit of multiplication and division. Here we go. Start at 9. Divide by 3. Multiply by 7. Add 4. Divide by 5. Multiply by 3. What do you get? The answer to this one was 15. We're going to do one more, and this is our hardest level of Follow Me. If you need to pause the video and regroup, feel free to go ahead and do that. Okay, here we go. Start at 7. Multiply by 7. Subtract 22. Divide by 3. Multiply by 9. Add 19. What do you get? The answer to that one was 100. So these Follow Me problems can be very challenging. If you had a hard time with these, that is totally okay. In Math Club, this is something we do almost every week, so you get better and better as we get more practice. If you were able to get a few of them correct, then you are on the right level. All right, great job with Follow Me. We're going to move on to our final activity of your free Math Club preview. Our final activity today is called the Brain Teaser Challenge. These are different reasoning and logic problems that we would do in Math Club. As you can see, there are 4 questions on the screen: green, orange, pink, and purple. These questions align with our different color levels. So right now you're trying out a pink level club, but we put all 4 questions on the screen so that you can take your time and try and solve as many of them as you can. This is what we call a My Level math activity. So what you can do is pause the video, grab a piece of paper and pencil, and spend a few minutes working on some of these reasoning problems. If any of them are too hard, you can skip those. If you find that some are too easy, you can focus on the ones that are more challenging. Whatever works for you. Take as much time as you'd like, and when you're ready, you can resume the video. All right, let's go ahead and check out the answers. Here we have the 4 answers to these different logic problems. You can pause the video here to read more about the reasoning behind each of these answers. If you were able to get a few of these correct, then you are on the right color level. If you found that most of them were too hard, then maybe you can try a different color level Math Club preview video. All right, that concludes our free Math Club preview for today. We are so grateful that you joined us, and we hope you had fun. It was so nice to meet you today, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.